From pain to peace. 6 shifts that set you free. How to stop caring what people think of you.
They are not rejecting you. They're only projecting their own fears, okay? When people talk negatively about you, or you stop to think what other people might think of you, of whatever you're doing, then just think about what is really important to me here. Like the way that other people see me, or actually what I want to be doing. Like, does fear ever stop you from doing the things that you know you want to do? But just thinking about, oh, what if that person sees me or hears me talking? And just start doing the things that you want. You will begin to feel really good. You will build your own self esteem. And isn't that more important than what the other person might think of you?
How to stop feeling stuck in life.
You're not stuck. You're just scared to move. Don't wait for the right moment. It is not coming, okay? Fear is just tricking you to wait, to postpone, and to do everything later. But you already know it's not going to work. No one's coming to save you. You have to step up and do the things that need to be done, okay? It is not always easy, but you know that you will be better off when you do it anyway. The things that you don't want to do in life are actually the things that make you move forward. The only progress comes when you move, okay? So give yourself that gift.
How to trust yourself again after you've been let down.
It's hard to trust others when you don't even trust yourself. Like, think about that. When you don't keep promises to yourself, like, who do you keep promises to, really? Like, doesn't it hurt yourself when you don't do it? When you say you want to do things or you know that you need to do things, but you don't do them. Like, what does it do to your self-worth? Like, you're only hurting yourself, really. I realized that after being hurt, it wasn't betrayal, but it was just that I didn't trust myself anymore. This happened to me recently, and I had to retake myself. Like, this is completely okay, but you have to take back your power. So, what is one small thing you can do today that you can promise to yourself that you will actually do, and go do it?
How to turn pain into purpose.
Your deepest pain holds the blueprint for your greatest purpose. What if your pain and all the experiences that you had in your life can actually be the thing that pulls you forward? Like, you come out stronger from every situation. It is not always easy. Like, when things are happening, it's easy to say, yeah, get up and do this and all that. That's not the thing. But later, you will have a story to tell. And you can use your pain, actually, that you had in that moment and all the lessons that you learned. You can use that as experience. Try your best not to fall in the same situation again. And even when you do, you will know what to do.
The secret to finding peace in chaos.
Peace isn't the absence of chaos. It's just the power in the middle of it. It's not that there is no chaos in your life. It's just that you found a way to get calm and stay calm. Luckily, we have these tools and we can always get back to our center, like feel really calm in most situations, at least. Okay, what you can do is just a really simple technique that's called box breathing. You breathe in for 3 seconds, then you hold it for 3 seconds, then you let go for 3 seconds, and then you hold it again for 3 seconds. Now, you do a few cycles of that, and you will naturally begin to feel calmer. It really works. Just try it out and see for yourself.
This 20-second technique stops overthinking instantly.
When your mind won't shut up, try this technique. It only takes 20 seconds and it really works. Find 3 things you can see, 2 things you can touch, and 1 thing you can hear. Try it. 20 seconds and it changes your perspective, your energy, and your focus. Okay, so try this and see what happens.